Hello and welcome. Today we are going to get really practical and talk about how you can run your entire e-commerce business on one single, powerful platform, eshopOS. If you're a merchant, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through exactly how you can manage everything, and I mean everything, from products to really complex wholesale orders, all from one place. Okay, let's get into it.
So let me ask you, does this feel familiar? You've got your Shopify store, maybe you're selling on a marketplace or two, and you're constantly trying to keep your inventory numbers straight across all these different apps. It's just a nonstop battle of syncing data and hoping you don't oversell. You know, this operational headache is probably one of the biggest challenges when you're selling online today.
And that's the exact problem that eshopOS was built to solve. Just imagine all of that complexity just vanishing. Instead of trying to wrangle a dozen different tools that don't really talk to each other, you get one system, one single core that powers your entire business. That's the big idea we're going to unpack today.
To really understand how this all works, we have to start with this one crucial concept, building your business on what's called a core system of record. You can think of this as the digital headquarters for your entire operation. So what does that actually mean in plain English? It means you enter your data one time. That's it. Your product details, your inventory counts, your customer information, it all lives here in one central protected place. And from this single source of truth, the system automatically syncs that information out to all your sales channels, so no more manual updates, no more duplicating data, and no more of those really costly errors.
All right, let's get practical. How do you actually go from a product idea to a live, shoppable storefront? Well, this is where you're going to first interact with that core system of record by building out your digital product catalog.
And the platform is designed to make this incredibly fast. It's really just a simple four-step process. First, you set up your store basics, then you model your products, and that's a key step we're going to dig into next. After that, you connect your channels, and then you just publish. And that's it. You're live, and you're ready to start selling.
So let's talk about what modeling your products really means. Because this isn't just about uploading a product name and a price. You're actually building a rich, structured catalog. This means you can create infinite variants, small, medium, large, red, blue, green, whatever you need. You can add really detailed metadata for things like materials or technical specs, and this is crucial. You can set up complex pricing rules, which is absolutely essential if you're managing different wholesale or B2B price tiers.
Okay, so your products are live. What happens when that first order comes rolling in? This is where the real magic of automation kicks in. Let's take a look at the platform's fulfillment autopilot, which is all powered by something called the state engine. Let's just visualize how this works. Before any sales happen, all of your inventory is just sitting there in the available state. The system is broadcasting this exact stock number across all of your channels. Everything is just ready to go. Now, the moment a customer clicks buy, the state engine just springs into action. It automatically changes that item status from available to reserved. And this is a really critical step. It instantly removes that one unit from the available stock count everywhere, which makes overselling literally impossible. That item is now held specifically for that one order. And then, once your team packs the box and ships the order, the system completes the process, moving the item to its final state, shipped. The life cycle for that one piece of inventory is now complete, and your stock levels are perfectly and automatically updated in real time. This whole three-state process, available, reserved, and then shipped, is all managed by what's called the inventory ledger. And because it's all automated, you can actually trust that your stock levels are always 100% accurate on every single channel. No more end-of-day manual counts or stressful inventory checks. But this level of automation isn't just for your inventory and fulfillment. The real goal here is to put as much of your business on autopilot as you possibly can, so you can focus on growth. So let's see how this expands to your other day-to-day operations.
Because everything is running on that same commerce core, you can use logic and these flow-based rules to automate your entire stack. I mean, think about it. Automatically sending cart recovery emails to win back those lost sales, managing your loyalty programs and subscriber lists, generating unique discount codes, even automating billing and review requests. All of these routine tasks can be set up to just run themselves.
Okay, so this is all great for a standard direct-to-consumer brand. But what happens when you're ready to grow? What if you want to expand into B2B or wholesale? Well, this is where the platform really starts to shine because it was designed for that kind of complexity from day one.
This comparison really lays it all out. A standard platform, it gives you simple pricing. Here, you can build out complex wholesale tiers. Instead of you manually fulfilling big orders, you get automated order routing that can handle all those tricky logistics. It has native multi-currency support built right in. And that global stock state system we talked about? It's designed to manage huge wholesale orders with total precision. The whole point is, you shouldn't have to switch platforms just because you're becoming more successful. This system is built to grow with you.
And this really is the core philosophy here. The whole goal is to give you an incredibly powerful enterprise-level system, but without forcing you to deal with all the technical complexity that usually comes with it. The tech is handled so you can focus on your brand, your products, and your customers. So I'll leave you with this one question to think about. Imagine all those hours you spend juggling spreadsheets, updating inventory, and managing orders were suddenly free. What would you do with all that time? What new products could you launch? What new markets could you enter? That's the real potential of running your business on a single, automated